Please, next, please.
Yeah, sir, NTR sir. So,
Yes.
basically the hook step what we are saying currently, Natu Natu Nachu. The step has been very much famous in like short period of time. There has been more than 10,000 like, reels are saying up. There are more hits on it where you see more 10 lakhs of views and likes are there on your complete one that hook step in very short period of time. I just want to know how much time it took for you to practice that and the bond, which because that's required a kind of tuning with the step. Was it so easy or tough?
It was actually a very easy step. I'm not trying to tell you it's a very tough step. A very easy step, yeah. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's it. It's no, it's actually very easy. But I don't know. It's him who's made it feel very tough. we were, because of the pandemic, we couldn't shoot here in India. So he took us all the way to Kiev in Ukraine and tortured us there. I mean, 18 takes for that step. Purely because he wanted us to, he would sit in front of the monitor and step freeze the step so that the coordination, the sync between me and Charan is like on dot. I mean, how can you do it? I went up to him and said, see, both of us have different styles of dancing. So as a director, bring that style together. He's like, no. I said, it is my style.
Because it was Rajmouli sir's style, na? It was his
Yeah,
idea.
absolutely. So every day, well, I don't know, yeah, even the weather was so, like we were very unlucky. The sun would set at 8 in the night and would rise at 6 in the morning. So 8 ke baad, 9 baje tak, he would make us go through the rehearsal. Again, start off at 6 in the morning. So it's like, why did we do these rehearsals when you're automatically any which way is going to take 20 takes there?
Okay, Rajmouli
It
sir,
was
one more
torturous.
question. Okay, Rajmouli sir, one more question to you.
तो ये है कि अभी अभी हमने आपका एक सॉन्ग देखा जननी, इतना मेस्मराइजिंग, इतना खूबसूरत कि मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ उसका एक्सपीरियंस। राजा मौली जी का जो सिनेमा है वो बहुत अलहदा है, ये तो हम जानते हैं, बहुत अलग तरह का है। लेकिन आप खुद एक डायरेक्टर हैं, तो डायरेक्टर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपको उनकी क्या चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा अपील की, बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रेसिव?
राजा मौली जी का जो सिनेमा है वो अलग नहीं है, वो एक ही सिनेमा है, इनका ही सिनेमा है सिर्फ। कोई और उस किस्म का सिनेमा बनाने की कोशिश करता भी होगा तो आई थिंक बहुत मुश्किल है अचीव करना। सो इनकी सोच बहुत बड़ी के अलावा बिल्कुल अलग है। एंड आई रिमेंबर हिम टेलिंग मी, और बहुत अर्दी है। और इन्होंने मुझे एक बात बताई थी, ये इन्होंने कैरेक्टर्स की स्टडी कहाँ से की है, और हर रोज़ ये हर नए किस्म की नए वर्जन की एक महाभारत पढ़ते हैं। और महाभारत एक ऐसी है कि उसमें दुनिया का कोई कैरेक्टर नहीं बचा जो उसमें नहीं है। आप कोई भी कैरेक्टर पकड़ लीजिए दुनिया के किसी कोने से, वो वहीं से निकला हुआ होगा। सो आई थिंक वो जो कैरेक्टराइजेशन करते हैं और वो जो उस हिसाब से सोचते हैं और कैरेक्टर्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से सोचते हैं, आई थिंक इट इज़ फैबुलस।
Hi, sir. Over here.
This is coming RRR. How many movies that you were offered and you had to let it go by because this is too special?
I was offered only one movie, Triple R. Do you think even someone would even dare come up and ask for your dates when Rajmouli is doing a movie? Impossible.
Somebody may have guts.
नहीं, वैसा नहीं होता है यार. It's like you just have to. I mean, नहीं. This doesn't happen in our industry when you're working for a movie with Jackana. You're there, you're in there for a long time and you have to accept it. The sooner you accept, the better it is.